Hi, this is Russ and Matt from ADK. We're in Charleston, New York at Burbine Forest.
Burbine, one of the most humbling disc golf courses around in our area, in my personal opinion. We're going to try to shoot another doubles round for you, get a view of the beautiful course that we have before us, hopefully not embarrass ourselves too much, and walk away respectively.
We also have a tournament coming up called the Beast of Burbine, so if anyone's playing in that and wants to get a refresher, watch us try to stay under par.
Stay afloat. Pray. Pray to the disc golf gods. Here we are at hole 1. It's a par 3, 276 feet. You got to pick an alley pretty much. You're either going right or left. I would say avoid the trees. I don't think that's possible.
Okay, putt.
Good attempt. If I do this, I can't see it at all. It's a blind shot.
Well, you got a par. We're on hole 2. It's 220 feet. The basket's up for the left. It's a par 3. There's 2 gaps you can choose from. The left gap cuts off the distance and gives you a better chance at a birdie look. The right gap is, you're probably going to have circles 2 look if you're lucky. And don't hit a tree.
Look. Hole 3, par 3, 306 feet. Straight down the path, finishes to the right. Pretty self-explanatory. Got a nice little... Tells you where to throw it. It's whether or not we can actually do it. Turn! Oh, I am trash. That just went straight.
We're on hole 4, par 3, 270. There's 2 gaps. The basket's on the left side at the end. The right side's a bigger gap. The left side is a spicier gap if you choose to try that line.
All right, hole 5, par 3, 294 feet. You got to find a nice little pathway down these skinny trees in the fairway to where we're going to finish all the way down at the left at the bottom. Okay. Trees are 90% air, right? Get that one. I mean,
Yay. 200. All right, it's not terrible.
Did it.
We're on hole 6. It's a par 3, 280 feet straight uphill. Once you go about 200 feet up the hill, you want to go slightly left and try to get as far up as you can to the basket, which is blind.
Hole 7, par 4, 620 feet. Straight down the path where it's going to dogleg to the left. OB is going to be right side of the rock wall that is down there. Still farther than I can throw. So, I'm yanking them. Pick up a mouth.
We're on hole 8. It's par 3, 216 feet. Straight down the gap. Be cool if we get an ace. Probably not.
Hole 9, par 4, 370 feet. It is a short, straight ahead to a hard dog leg on the left. OB right over the wall, about 220 straight. You wanted to throw something hard, and that's going to hyzer a left. Nice little skip at the end.
Let's try this. I haven't drawn the Kochuki. It's a pretty stable move. Hopefully.
Good tree.
They're gonna like blitz by it.
Yeah. That came off my finger hot.
Hole 10, 273 feet, par 3, over the water, elevated basket on a old canoe. Very pretty shot. Let's throw it in the water. Hopefully we don't.
Yeah, right? Oof. That was a close run. Hole 11, par 3, 351 feet, straight down the path, slightly downhill, basket finishes slightly off to the left. It's only a tunnel shot. It's easy. It didn't hit anything. There it is.
Hole 12, 400 feet, par 3. You want to go straight and then to the right, and then kind of more straight.
That's all the way down the right.
Down the tunnel. So straight and then right. Yep, basically. I mean, that looked good. Looked great.
Cut off some distance.
Here's the sticker.
Oh wow, Yankee Yankee.
Yeah.
Wow. Hole 13, par 3, 270 feet. Straight down the fairway, finishes off to the left, slightly down a hill. So something slightly overstable.
That's not perfect. Man. Hole 14, par 3, 255, up the hill. Baskets to the right. Basically, just throw up the main gap and get a putt.
Nope. Okay, hole 15, par 3, impossible, 320 feet. It looks like we're going straight downhill, but no, there's more. We're gonna go a U-shape back up the hill all the way around. It's gonna be a throw and pray. I don't know. That one made it around.
No, no trees. Oh, this might be too stable. I'm gonna throw a Hua. Come on, Hua. Oh yeah, come on, Hua. Go. It's a lot of hill.
Yeah. Run it. I'm right there.
They are too good.
Ready?
Yeah. Hole 16, par 4, 402 feet. Basically throw straight through the gap, over the road, and then the basket is all the way at the end on the bottom of the hill to the right. Actually it's a good spot.
Nope.
I'll finish it up.
All right, hole 17, par 3, 250 feet. Kind of a diamond shaped all the way up to the basket, so you get to pick your alley, left or right. Left seems to be a bigger alley, so I'm going to try the understability route. Or you can brave it up the narrow gap with something overstable. Yeah. And I completely didn't hit anywhere I wanted, but I think it cut rolled back. That was awful. Oh, that just squared it. So I was like, oh, okay. So the uplink, even though I threw it awfully, it ended up rolling pretty nicely. All right. Well, this was nice and easy.
All right, we're on our last hole, hole 18, par 3, 315 feet. It's up the hill and then down, and basically there's a bunch of trees you gotta get past, like the whole course, and finish at the basket. Good shot. Good shot. Clean.
Another good one, even with the...
Oh.
fell.
It's so deflating. It doesn't make a sound.
Just it was just so sad. Thank you for checking out our practice scramble round here at Burbine Forest. Please check out ADK Disc for all your disc golf needs and discs.
Like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. Also, if you have any ideas, we'd love to hear them in the comment section below. If you are interested, you can follow us on Instagram. I'm LeftyFlick21 and Mr. 2 Disc Golf. Thanks for everyone watching. Anything else? And that's it. Thanks, guys.
Disclaimer, discourse is brutally humbling.